Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the sixth program where we will be learning the linear search using the functions in Python. Alright, so before getting started, let's understand what is linear search. Okay, in a very simple, linear search means searching any number one by one from the beginning of the list until it is found. Alright, so we will have the list of numbers and we will search one by one the element until it is found. Okay, it is like finding the name in your class attendance. Okay, searching line by line. So if you want to search any name, you will search from starting till ending. Okay, line by line, line by line. As soon as you get the search name, you will just stop the searching. The same way linear search works. Okay, so for example, I have a simple list here. Okay, in my list I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, and this list I'm storing in a variable called as A. So A is holding my list, and here I have also marked the indexes. Okay, what are the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 10 is present at 0 position, 20 is present at 1 position, 30 is present at 2 position, 40 at 3 position, 50 at 4th position, 60 at 5th position. Okay, now I want to search 30 element. Okay, how I will do? I will take my pointer, first go A of 0, that is list first position. Is the first position containing element 30? No. Then again move the pointer to the next position. Is A of 1 equal to 30? No, it is not equal to 30. Then again I will update my pointer. I will search, is A of 2 is equals to 30? Yes, A of 2 is 30. Then I will stop the searching and I will simply say 30 is present at 2 index. Okay, as you can see, 30 is present at 2 index. So this is what exactly we will be doing using the Python. Okay, before actually writing the code, let us try to understand how the linear search algorithm works. Okay, all right. Here I have simple tracing steps how to search an element using linear search. Okay, again same thing. I have a list called as A. So this is a function used to search an element using the linear search methodology. So here I have a simple function which takes two parameters, that is A is my list and X is the element to be searched. So for this function, I will provide A, that is my list, and the search element, that is 30. Okay, so now X is holding my 30. Please remember, X is holding 30 and A is holding this list. Okay, I will enter into the for loop and I will be initially at 0 and it will iterate till this 5. Okay, and inside the for loop I have a if condition, that is A of I. What is A of I? I is initially 0, so A of 0 is A of 0 equal 30. Why 30? X is 30 here. Okay, is A of 0 equal 30? Okay, check here, is A of 0 equal 30? No. Okay, so we will not execute a return. Again I will come update the I value, I will become 1. Okay, so my pointer will move to the next position. Is A of I, what is A of I? A of I is 1. Okay, I is 1 now, so A of I is equal to 30. Is A of I 30? No, A of I is 20. A of I is not 30, so no, this statement will not be executed again. Again we will go to the top of the loop, update the I pointer to the next element, that is I is equals to 2. A of 2, that is A of I is 2. A of 2 equal 30. Is 30 equal 30? Yes, A of 2 is 30. Yes, so we will stop the search here. Okay, and this condition is true. Then I will enter into the if condition and I will say return I. What is the I value? Now updated value of I is 2. Okay, that will be the answer. Okay, so 30 is present at second position. This is very simple. You just need to understand how the logic is working here. Okay, in case if we don't find anything, we'll just simply return -1, saying that if in entire search the I value doesn't change, it means we are returning -1. It means element is not found. Got it? So now we will go and write the Python code for this one. Okay, open up the ideal shell, go full screen, click on file, new file. Okay, now let's start writing the program. I will fast forward the video and come back after writing the program. Alright, I have written the entire program. Okay, this is the exact logic what you see, what you have just seen here. Okay, all right. Let me save this one first. Okay, I will go to desktop, Python lab programs, and say P6. Okay, sixth program dot py. Save it. Okay, all right. So here I have a function called as linear search. Okay, and here I have some input and output statements. Okay, let me give some new lines here for better visibility and readability. All right. So my execution will start from here. In the previous video, I've already explained what this statement is doing. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm taking multiple numbers. Okay, splitting them and converting them each number into of type integer and making a list of numbers. Okay, because here we are passing the list of number to my function. Okay, that's why I need this one. Okay, list of numbers. Then x is equals to int of input, enter the number to be searched. Okay, we need two inputs here. One is the list of elements and another one is the search element. Okay, as you can see here, I have a list of numbers and I have a search element. So these are the two inputs. That's why I need two inputs over here. Okay, again I will take the search element, typecast it to int and store it in x. Okay, so a is holding my list of numbers, x is holding my search element. Okay, now I will call the function. As soon as I come to this line, the control will be jumped from here to my function. All right. So here the a will be copied to this one and x will be copied to this one. Okay. So now a is holding my list of numbers and x is holding my search element. Okay. Here I will perform the entire search as I explained previously. Okay. And I will return the I value. Or if the element is not found, I will return -1. Okay, these two values will be stored in position. Okay, if the element is found, the particular I value will be stored in position. If the element is not found, -1 will be stored here. Okay, and in the print statement I will say found at. Okay, when I will print found at, if position is not equal to -1. Okay, this position should not be -1. It means the element is found. Okay, then I will just print the position. Okay, if the element is -1, okay, then I will just simply say not found and I will just print the position that will be -1. Okay, let's save this one, try to run it. Okay, click on run module. All right, let's give the same input what we just saw in the tracing. Okay, let's give 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. All right, I will hit enter. Sorry, let's give one more number. Okay, 60. I will hit enter. So it has taken the list of numbers. Now it is asking me enter the number to be searched. Okay, let us search for 30. Okay, I will not press enter. I will come back to my blackboard and see I'm searching for 30 element. Where it is present at second position. Okay, so it should give me answer as 2. Let's hit enter and see. All right, we found the 30 element at the index 2. All right, let's try to run one more time for the different input. Okay, click on run module. In this case I will give 10, 20, 30. Let's give the same numbers, 50 and 60. Okay, now I will try to search for 60. Okay, 60 is present at what position? It is present at the 5th position. Let's hit enter. Say found at index 5. Okay, let's again run for one more case where we search for the element that doesn't exist. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, I will try to search for 70. Okay, is 70 there in my list? No, it should say not found and -1. All right, so it is not able to search 70 because this 70 is not present in my list. Okay, this is how we perform a simple linear search in Python using functions. Hope you all have understood. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.